When hiring for unique roles in the tech industry, a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. This chapter explores strategies for hiring experienced professionals, QA testers, leadership roles, and more, ensuring that the recruitment process is tailored to the specific demands of each position. Experienced candidates bring deep expertise but also require a focused approach, assess real-world application, evaluate their contributions to previous projects, problem-solving skills, and leadership abilities, customize technical challenges, use domain-specific problems that test their expertise in scenarios they might encounter on the job, behavioral questions, focus on adaptability, collaboration, and their ability to mentor junior team members. For example, an experienced software engineer should demonstrate proficiency in designing scalable systems and troubleshooting under pressure. Testing and QA roles. Testing and quality assurance roles are pivotal to maintaining product integrity. Core skills assessment. Evaluate their understanding of testing methodologies like unit, integration, and regression testing. Practical exercises. Conduct bug hunting tasks to measure their attention to detail and problem-solving speed. Tool familiarity. Verify their expertise with tools like Selenium, Jira, and CI/CD pipelines. Additionally, discuss their approach to automation and how they balance automated and manual testing. Product and program management. Product and program managers bridge the gap between technical teams and business goals, leadership and collaboration, assess their ability to align teams, manage cross-functional collaboration, and prioritize tasks effectively. Problem solving. Use case studies to evaluate how they handle challenges like resource allocation or conflicting stakeholder priorities. A strong candidate will demonstrate strategic thinking, adaptability, and the ability to deliver measurable results. Leadership roles. Dev leads and managers. Technical leadership roles require a combination of technical expertise and people management skills. Team mentorship. Assess their ability to guide junior developers and foster a culture of learning. Conflict resolution. Evaluate their approach to managing team conflicts and keeping projects on track. Strategic vision. Discuss their experience in setting technical roadmaps and balancing innovation with business goals. For instance, a development lead should exhibit hands-on technical skills while empowering the team to achieve success collaboratively. Startups. Startup hiring involves unique challenges due to limited resources and the need for versatility, adaptability. Look for candidates comfortable wearing multiple hats and thriving in ambiguous situations. Culture fit. Evaluate their alignment with the startup's mission, values, and fast-paced environment. Problem solving. Prioritize candidates who bring innovative ideas and are willing to take calculated risks. Candidates should demonstrate passion for the product and a willingness to contribute beyond their core role. Acquisitions and talent integration. When hiring through acquisitions, it's essential to focus on integration and alignment. Role clarity. Ensure acquired employees understand their new responsibilities and how they fit into the organization. Cultural alignment. Conduct sessions to align teams on company values, workflows, and expectations. Retention strategies. Offer career development opportunities to retain key talent during the transition. Effective integration fosters collaboration and prevents disruption to ongoing projects. Tips for interviewers. Finally, interviewers must ensure the hiring process is both thorough and fair. Structured interviews. Use standardized questions and evaluation criteria to minimize bias. Active listening. Allow candidates to elaborate on their experiences and ask insightful questions. Feedback loops. Share constructive feedback with candidates to enhance their experience and maintain a positive company reputation. A thoughtful and structured approach to interviewing can attract top talent and ensure alignment with organizational goals.